Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube gardening video. In this video, we shall delve into the fascinating world of pruning tomato plants, discover the importance of the pruning, learn the techniques and unlock the secrets to healthier plants and bountiful harvest. Number 1. Why pruning matters? Pruning is an essential practice for tomato plant care. Left unpruned, tomato plants can become crowded, leading to poor airflow and increased disease susceptibility. By pruning, you can ensure better air circulation, reduce the risk of pests and diseases, and promote optimal fruit development. Number 2. Removing suckers. One crucial technique in pruning tomato plants is removing suckers. Suckers are the small shoots that emerge from the leaf axils, competing for the plant's energy. By snapping off these suckers when they are young and small, you direct the plant's resources towards the main stem, encouraging stronger growth and higher fruit production. Number 3. Enhancing airflow and light penetration. Pruning also involves removing lower branches to enhance airflow and light penetration. By eliminating these branches, you allow sunlight to reach the lower parts of the plant, reducing the risk diseases and fostering better fruit development. Use clean pruning shears or scissors to make clean cuts just above the junction where the branch meets the main stem. Number 4. Providing support. Supporting your tomato plants is crucial, especially as they grow and bear fruit. Without proper support, the weight of the tomatoes can cause branches to bend or break. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep the plant upright. The stakes can be inserted into the ground and tied with the soft ties or twine. Cages offer ready-made structures, while trellises allow you to train the branches upward, optimize space efficiency. Conclusion. Pruning tomato plants is an art that can transform your garden by practicing proper pruning techniques. You can improve airflow, increase light penetration, reduce disease risk and support robust growth and abundant harvests. Remember to remove suckers, prune for airflow and light, and provide support to your plants. Now armed with these pruning tips, you are ready to elevate your tomato gardening game and enjoy the fruit of your labor. Thank you for watching our video.